Hi, in this video we will make a simple Hello World program in C++. First create a file with the extension cpp. Inside this file we will write the code of our program. We need a main function. To create it, type int main open and close parentheses and open and close curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets we write the code of the main function. In most systems we need to return 0. This is a code that means the program runs with no errors. On some systems this might be optional, but it's best to always include it to keep it compatible with any system. Now to print a message to the terminal we need cout. Cout is part of the standard library, and we can get it with include iostream. The name of the include goes between the less than symbol and the greater than symbol. Now we can use std cout to send the message hello world to the cout object. We use the insertion operator. At the end of the statements we use semicolons. Now we can build this code and it should say hello world in our terminal. We can add comments with 2 forward slashes, and anything to the right of them will be commented out and not influence our code. They can be used to leave notes that explain why we made some decisions on our code. When we build our code, it will go through 3 stages at least. The preprocessor will handle lines that start with a hash, like hash include. In this line it will copy the content of iostream to our code. Then the compiler will take our preprocessed code and create an object file. In the last stage, the linker will take our object files and turn them into an executable file. Some compilers might have extra stages to optimize our code, but all of them will follow these 3 steps. To help the channel grow, please like and subscribe, and see you next time.